Are people here? Okay. I think I got it. Oh, okay. Okay, it's actually running now. Sorry, guys. Let me just go paste this. Okay, I swear I know how to use computers. Oh my gosh, I've never had this. Apparently Google support has just reached out to me. Yes. Sorry. So I guess I'm live right now. I'm going to be chatting with Google support while I do this. The stream was having issues with ultra low latency for many viewers, and I was unable to switch the channel the channel live stream thing automatically went live, and I tried to make another separate broadcast, but both were live briefly, so I had to make a new channel or new broadcast. I think I have it straightened out now. Okay. Anyway, let's get moving. Brian from Google, thank you for reaching out. If you can help me with any of this, that's cool. If not, that's okay. We do have to get this thing up and running at some point, though. I don't know. So just to recap, so we're going to be making this display work with this STM32F042, and I don't know why the timing isn't right on it, but I'm not really worried. It doesn't really matter. Oh, wait. Something's wrong with the stream? No, it looks good to me. And I'm already under regular low latency settings, so it should be able to keep up for everyone. If you're having trouble, then there's really not much I can do to help. I guess I will reach out to him. Yes, it is. Some other users are still having trouble. I have never had issues with low or ultra low late streaming. Yeah, several users from chat are reporting issues even with low latency streaming, and I know I'm on pretty good connection. Oh, okay. I guess I'll just continue going, and if Brian can help out, that would be awesome, and if not, then okay. Wow, that's really weird that somebody from Google reached out. The stream is on the old link? Are you serious? Users are reporting some very strange issues regarding the links for the streams. Not sure what to do right now. Okay, you know what? If I have to restart this... Wait a minute. I can shift from 60 without restarting. Let's just try that. Let's just try it. Okay. Is Google's head going to explode now? Hello, testing, testing. Let's see. I'm waving. Let's see if it actually works. Can you guys actually see this? Because I've just switched it away from 60 FPS. Okay. If you guys are still having trouble, please let me know. I have reduced everything I possibly can. I'm just going to keep on rolling. Okay, excellent. Looks like things are starting to come together again. Understood. Have just moved to 30 FPS and at least one user is happier now. Haha! Wait, you guys boom moved at the same time? I didn't even think about that. That kind of works. Anyway, okay, so we have this part. We're going to be talking to it. Wow, that was 30 minutes of wasted time there, but that's okay because, you know, we got to figure all this out. Okay, let's bump back. Oh, you know, let me pull. File, new window. Okay. Oh. Oh. I'm sorry. Is this in reference to the API issues? I thought this was in reference to the stream issues I am in. But they look like they have actually been resolved now. Okay, so let's go back to this ePaper thing and recap everyone. So waveshare recently came out with this e-ink display, this ePaper display right here, and it's a full 7-color ePaper display. And I saw some of these pictures that people have been displaying on it, and there was another one on Twitter which was just amazing, and so I just hopped on that as soon as I could and bought one. And that's what I have right here in front of me. And I'm going to be using these boards that I've just made with some STM32F042s on it to make a gift for my mom, where it'll be a picture of her old cat, except at midnight it's going to change to a different picture. And then the next night at midnight it's going to change to yet another different picture. So I'm going to see how long it takes her to either think she's crazy or just actually call me and say thanks that she got it and she thinks it's adorable or something. Also, I know my mom well enough to hope that she probably would think it's adorable instead of hating me for making her think she's crazy. Okay, so again, we don't really know why the timing is screwed up, but it's slow, but that's fine. That really doesn't impact anything. No, I am good now. 30, good now, reducing the settings seem to help. Have a great day. Okay. Moving on. Communications protocol. So, looks like what happens is we send 7 bits. So let's start by writing a function to send 7 bits. Void ePaper send. So static void ePaper send uint8t data. And the polarity is clock is low, and then we set our bit, and then clock goes high. So clock is low, Then we set our bit. So int bit for bit is equal to 7. Bit is greater than or equal to 0. Bit, no, actually let's just say bit equals 0x80. So we're going to say bit, and so bit shift it right 1. So what this will do is it'll start at 0x80 and then keep shifting right until we're out. And so we are going to want to say if beta and bit, then else okay, it looks like everybody in chat's happy, so that's good. So if there's a 1 in the data bit, we'll turn it on. If it's a 0, we'll turn it off. So GPIO on. I'm just going to have some really stupid short delay in here just to make it so I can see what's going on. Okay. So ePaper send 8. Okay. So let's see, how does this work? So it says CS is the slave select. When the CS is low, the chip is enabled. DC is the data command pin. When DC is 0, write command. When DC is 1, write data. S clock is the SPI clock. S stat. Okay. Well, I hope that this diagram is the correct one for this chip, so we'll just roll with that. So we're still going to need... That's it. This is all that there is. Oh, there's more. Ooh. Oh. But I want to know what the... I don't want a high-level language. I want to wake the chip thing up. Where's the... how to... Uh-oh, I'm really worried. We might not have very much to go on here. That's concerning. I mean, this is nice and all, but I need to know how to, like, wake the chip up. Ooh, demo codes. Heck yeah. Oh, there's already a GitHub. Let's just use that. Okay. Raspberry Pi, Arduino. Ooh, an STM one. Let's just see what they did here. So they have an SPI.C, which is probably just like software for making it wake up and run. Yeah, that's pretty basic. I don't really want to use the HAL or that. I do want to find... I don't see code here. Am I missing something stupid? I don't... Oh, it's like hidden in here. Oh my gosh, there's so much stuff. Oh, we'll have to find it for this module. 5 in 6. Does it... Is there not... Uh-oh. There might not be, okay. I'm a little bit worried here. This might all be for naught. I don't see any code. Right, but I'm assuming that these are the actual code to talk their different modules. But I don't see the color. Wait, you saw it for 5.65? Where? Haha! Arduino code. Let's just use this puppy. Okay, yeah, good call, Spirit. It was in the Arduino library. Okay, let's take a look at this source file. Ah, look at this gorgeous thing. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We'll just use exactly the same functions that they use. I don't know what this function does. It's a very strange function name. Digital read. Oh, okay. Okay. So is busy low a thing? Oh, it is. Interesting. Okay, so let's just copy and paste this junk right now. I'm gonna call it just static while, and then the function is yeah, actually, so Google reached out to me and said that that they are having issues at the moment, but I think things are resolved now. I think it's pretty good. Okay, so anyway, we're gonna just keep rolling. Static static void. Drive low, okay. Colon init. So reset. Okay, I don't really care about that, so we'll just not implement that because we've already kind of done it. So send command. How does send command work? Let's see. See, what does SPI transfer do? It probably, Oh, okay. So how do we release the chip select? Okay, let's see here. Send command and send data. So what we're going to have is send command uint8t data. And what this is going to do is these two commands. And what this is actually going to be is GPIO off WVSDC, and then data, actually we'll call it command, and I'll call this thing SPI transfer, and we'll have another function called send data, which turns DC on and sends data, and let's just leave CS low. I think we'll actually be fine. And then we'll have, so we should just be able to run this code verbatim now. Let's see what happens if we do exactly this. Okay, let's take a peek. What does this code do? Ooh, crashes. So that's line 31. GPIO on, GPIO off. What's the problem? Let's just next thing I gotta do is fix GPIO on, off, curly braces. Okay. Hopefully now we have less warnings. Okay, so line 50. Send data. Whoopsies. Messed that one up. Doesn't like these. Busy load defined but not used. Yeah, I know. Okay, fine. That's fine. Neat. Looks like it's doing lots of stuff in here. Does this look like it makes sense? I think it looks sense to me. It makes sense to me. Although maybe we should give it some more time. So after the reset goes, what do they do? Oh, they actually have the busy high command in here. Let's take a peek. Did this now wait until after busy? I guess. That goes high. We wait a really long time and then it does stuff. Okay. Let's go take a gander at let's go reduce this because there's no way. Just want to make sure this thing is behaving how I would hope. Okay, I think we're good. I don't actually know what busy means. Let's see, what does busy mean in this context? Does it say? Introduction, busy, low for busy. That's odd. I don't know why you wouldn't wait until... See what, I'm just going to wait a little longer, just to... Okay, not busy anymore. We start sending data. Chip select goes low. But right now, only transferring data at 13 kilohertz, so can't screw that up. Okay. So we have this code here. Show 7 kinds of color blocks. Okay, cool. Let's just copy paste this. Looks like we need to go copy some things out of that. I'm gonna go copy and paste these constants out. Or better yet, let's just go shove them in the header. Hi, Friday. You guys, there's Friday. Hold on. Nose poop? Nose poop Friday? You want a nose poop? Okay, I don't think that was as much a nose poop as much as it was a don't care. Oh, okay. Oh, we should see what this is doing now, because I think I'm doing something wrong, because it is not lighting up. Oh, it's doing stuff. And it is taking its merry time. Let's see, is it done yet? No, it's still not done. Okay, so apparently talking at 13 kilohertz is just depressing. We're gonna let this thing roll, though. It can't take that long, right? There's apparently some issue. Hold on. Sorry, give you guys a moment. Oh, nope, quota's exceeded. Nope, no more stream, buddy. I'm going to do one more thing here. No, quota's just straight up exceeded. Well, that's boring. Let's see, how am I gonna... Give me a second here, window capture. Okay. Efren, the thing that you could probably do to be the most helpful would be to figure out how I can get around this ridiculous API limit that YouTube has. At any rate, so now let's see if this thing is done writing to that display. Looks like it's done. Nothing appeared on the display though, so... let's see here. Why would that not work? I mean, there's all sorts of reasons that would not work. Let's just see what the Arduino software does with the chip select line. So back over to the Arduino code here. CS pin. Oh, interesting. So it looks like every single transfer flips the CS pin. That's very strange, but okay, I guess I'll just do that or something. I'm going to slow it down by doing that. And let's try this again. The viewer wait, why is the viewer count back, or is that just a bug? Because that could just be a bug. No, it might be it, right? I don't know. Let's just try to fire this thing up anyway. Now I forgot which window was the one. Okay, here we go. Very strange that the chip select line would go low and high for every single byte that's sent, but let's just go see what this looks like. Okay, it's sending. And... ooh, that is very wrong. I've seen this bug before, though. This is extremely wrong, but I have definitely seen this bug before, where like chip select or the GPIO lines are completely losing their minds. Oh, this is very strange, actually. Hold on. No mention there. See if it's done writing. Okay, it's done writing. Did not work. So I think that's because something is just absolutely wrong here. And let's just try this and see what happens if we just try twiddling it slower. No, it has still completely lost its mind. I really wish I could remember what I did last time when I saw a bug like that, because I do know it is like a solvable problem. It's supposed to be an SPI bus, but right now it's just a screwed up bus. 8 microseconds between... Oh, I wonder if it's other interrupts firing. So let's not initialize USB or ADCs or any of that junk. Let's just go. Gotta let it roll for a little bit, and then... Okay, that is definitely interesting. Well, it's better, but it's still a little janky. Oh yeah, it's like just straight up missing things. I guess we'll just do more no-ops, right? Everybody loves no-ops, right? I don't know why this is doing it. This is very strange. Huh. Well, now it's starting to look a little better, but that's still super rough. Also, did I get the polarity wrong on this? It shows data and then the line goes up in the middle of the data. Yeah, that's really wrong. That is really wrong. Oh. The down is where the transition should be. No. Oh. There, let's try that. So let's put in one more no-op. I'm gonna be really mad if we find out like the e-ink display is just like not turned on or something stupid. Okay, let's see here. What do we have? DC. Well, that's just wrong. This is a lot of really physically wrong behavior. Like, The DC is supposed to be going up and down through here. I'm just going to make like a delay function. Try this. Some weird block of transparent something on the bottom left. I don't know what you're talking about. Well, I do wish that I had somebody else okay, let's try this now. Oh, the data command thing is early on. So, it looks like we're talking at about... it's still too fast in the megahertz area. So actually you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 commands. So we should be seeing those 10 commands reflected in the capture here. But I definitely don't see them. So like that data thing is just I only see 1, 2, 3 data messages. That is weird. Yeah, I think something is just wrong, that it's not... What is going on here? So GPIO on WVS DC for data, GPIO off WVS DC for command. We delay, then we do an SPI transfer. An SPI transfer off to chip select, off to the clock, which it should already be off anyway, but just in case. And then we start clocking the stuff in. And this looks like a much better waveform than it did before. There's 8 bits. All of this stuff looks like it should be good. Except, you need... I don't know how StreamBuddy is working right now. I'm so confused. Like, only part of it is running, because the chat log is not. Anyway, does anybody see what the heck could be going on with this code? Because this doesn't make any sense to me. Why would DC only go low 3 times? So low, high, 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 low. Let's see, what is the actual code supposed to do? Low, high, low, high, high. Yeah, that's not at all what's going on. Huh. Wait, StreamBuddy just apparently came back online. Weird. Wait. Wait, is the stream actually live now, or is it... Oh, it looks like it is up and running. Neat. Okay. Well, we'll just keep rolling with this. We'll be happy that we got what we got. I don't know why the initialization is not... Oh, the initialization happens over here. Okay. This looks all right to me now. I just noticed on the back here it has this thing which is set to 0 for 4-line SPI. Okay, well that's what we're talking to it with, so... The other thing to consider is that we are seeing the line go busy over here for a while. Like, that would say to me that it's doing something interesting. I wonder if there's something else that we have not yet done to set up the display. I'm going to just try restarting StreamBuddy real quick and see how it goes. Oh, great. I shouldn't have done that. Now it's broken. Okay, so anyway, EPD init. Let's see if they, like, abstract from some base class or something. No. Oh, that's EPDF IF. Let's see how this one is written. Hmm. $600, da da da. Interesting. So it stores that locally, but where does it even use with? Tell you what, let's just try to run this clear thing and see what happens. Hey, come here. Rough. You happy yet? You calm? You good? Come on, Friday. Well, now Stream Buddy is broken again. Still says setting up e-ink display, so did it never get to the end of that? Also, I think I just realized what might have been my issue this whole time. I may not have been sampling fast enough. So that could have been it. I'll have to investigate that shortly. When it gets to the end, no, it really should say setup done. Maybe I'll have two printfs. Setup mid, maybe? Okay, so setup mid, but I don't think it ever gets to setup done. 2 bytes. And it just starts rolling. That doesn't feel right. The whole thing feels weird. So it goes low and back high, so that should indicate to me that it's okay, right? Like, clear, busy high. Which way is busy high again? While the pin is low. Did I get that logic flipped up? Busy high. While digital read busy pin. Okay, no, I got the logic right. Let's just see what this looks like. Analyzers, let's add some SPI here. MOSI, we're not using. Actually, I guess we are using, that's DIN. MISO, not using. Clock, enable CS. Most significant, transfer first. Yeah, sure, whatever. Let's switch the style to ASCII. No, hex. We want hex. So this sends 22.4.12.2. Then it says busy low. So once that goes high, it should get out of here. Maximum, I don't know. Maybe the compiler could, maybe it couldn't. I just always do it out of safety to do it that way. Oh, herp derp. I was in the wrong thing. I need to look at the clear function. 4.12.2 busy low sleep. Four 12.2 busy low delay. And let's review. Busy low means while the pin is high, which it's not. Delay for what it thinks is 50 milliseconds. I don't think delay milliseconds is accurate, but on the other hand, I don't know why it's not finishing execution here. Oh, I just realized something else. Check this out. So one of the other nice things about using the whole setup this way is I can open another terminal here, gdb main.out tar x :3333. Okay. gdb multi-arch char x:3333. Oh, interesting. It's stuck in send text. Huh. Let's add some debug symbols. So there's definitely a delay MS implemented somewhere. I'm not really worried about that right now. So it is on ePaper color line 134. It is waiting on the send text. Wait, but I deleted the send text. I am making a ePaper display picture for my mom that will change at midnight every night. And so she will think she is crazy when she goes to bed with a picture of her old cat on the wall, and in the morning when she wakes up, it's a picture of, like, my brother or something. I'm gonna give it to her for her birthday. Hopefully the crazy feeling lasts only but a moment, long enough to get a good little chuckle. This editor is called Xed. It is the X editor. It is really boring, but that's exactly how I like it. So that looks like that should be correct, so why is that not working? I have no idea if this is going to have any impact. So it looks like we are actually waiting here. So the busy line is low while the busy line is high. So that means something is just wrong. Something wrong with my systems function? Oh my gosh, I'm a moron. That's not how you read GPIO in this tool set. How do you read GPIO in this tool set? I don't actually know. Do I not? I may not. Actually, I must be missing something stupid here. Let's go pop open the technical reference manual. IDR. See if this thing works. Setting up mid. Still not working though. Oh my gosh! Did you guys see that? Did you guys see that? Oh. Oh my gosh. Display is green now. Oh. I don't know what. I don't even care anymore. It's getting further. Okay, let's try executing that color bars function. Oh my gosh! Oh. Oh, thank goodness. Oh, that looks so ridiculous. Oh my gosh, yes. Oh. Okay, time to peel off the protective layer so I can see what this thing looks like. Oh my gosh, that looks beautiful. That is... Oh my, I know you guys can't see it, but like it's uncanny how like this thing looks. It's like it's like vivid colors. This is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Oh. Well, so one of the things I think I will want to do at some point is dink with this and change the way it updates. Because Applied Science did a whole thing on these and showed that you actually could update them really fast. And yeah, it does. It looks exactly like color, or like paper. This is... Oh. Okay. Let's... I'm just going to execute this one more time, just so I can understand the timing on it. I'm going to extend this to like 100 seconds. So let's execute this one more time here. The update process looks so wild. I love this update process. Oh, it looks so good. Okay, let's see. What all was taking time in this? Oh, so it looks like what happens is you wake up, you tell the display to go do something, and then it does it, and then it goes high, and then send it to, and it does something else. I guess that's like finishing the update, and then it's done. Yeah. That's pretty cool. Okay, how much space is on this chip, I wonder? Flash size is 16 kilobytes. Oof. Why did I do that? I should have put... whatever. That's going to be really tough to fit everything in, but I'll figure it out. Okay. What would be next here? One of the other things that I think we can just talk, let's try talking to it a lot faster, because I'm just curious about that right now, in general. I want to know if my whole no-op storm is necessary. Oh, it looks like the no-op storm was totally not necessary. Wow, that looks so good. So what I wanted to see was what this shape looks like now. Oh yeah, that looks fine. It's like 2 megahertz, it's fine. But it's just a really long time to get that whole thing updated. Okay, let's see here. I should be able to still have USB running, so let's try doing that. Let's leave the ADC off for this. Also, let me fix the linker script to make it clear that you don't actually have that much flash. Where's the linker script? Do I not have a linker script? Oh, there it is. Length is 16K. Okay. Let's initialize USB. Okay, let's see if it's enumerated on the USB bus. Uh, 39108. Let's run it again. Oh yeah, it's working. Okay, so we have the USB bus. Let's see, we have about half an hour left. Maybe we can get updating an image of some kind over USB. Let's just try it. Probably don't want to do HID setup. We do want to do HID data. Okay. let's see, how do we actually do this update stuff? So to send the 7 block, so you do all this junk, and then you do a whole bunch of send datas. And you do this stuff. We can make that work. Void setup ePaper for data. Void send ePaper data. Ah, I've ruined it. I've ruined it. It's just 7 colors. But I'd imagine you could dither pretty well. Anyway, let me send ePaper void setup ePaper done. Set up ePaper for data. Len. And when done, we're going to go do this. Okay, so we are going to look for hid data. Yeah, let's try that. And if data, let's switch data sub 0. Case 0 is just nothing. Case 1 would be set up ePaper for data. Case 2 would be data. Data plus 1. We're gonna fix it at 60 bytes. Case, actually, you know what? Send text value. USB. Data sub 1. Just to test. Case 3, set up ePaper done. ePaper color, line 91. Okay, CD tester. Test.c. So we want to be careful with what we want to send. We don't... Actually, I think I want to get rid of virtually all of this. Then I want to use this function call. And let's assume that this is well behaved, because I know this isn't on Windows. So now, if I run this, if this compiles, it won't compile, okay. Let's just delete this whole TX thread, because we really don't want this. All we're actually going to do is just send an image. I'm going to put on the headphones and turbo through this. I mean, I can see you guys, but I'm kind of preoccupied at the moment. Although I've just screwed up and now I can't. And Adam is allowing the cat name to be intact. I am also talking to Adam about potentially making it so I would be the owner, but we'll see. Also, I'm going to turn up the volume while I get in the zone. You know, we do not need to update the thing every single time we boot anymore. We'll just cut that out. No, why is this not working? No, it should be fine. It should be able to send that sentinel value. But it's not. Why can't it send that value? What am I doing wrong here? Send buff is 0, 0. Send buff 1, AA. We already know it's getting there. Here's data. If data is 0, case 0. Here's the now it doesn't even see the device.
Burning bridges to the ground. So take away what's left of me.
Robert, I think you're right. Really need to crank this out though. I don't know why the USB isn't working. Huh. So right now I'm just trying to get the USB pipe working so I can go send an image to it. I've got like 20 minutes left before I gotta go. Oh my gosh. I do have to do a picture Friday. I might have to start streaming after I get back again.
What's left in me?
Neat. So I got data flowing the one way. Real easy.
Burning bridges to the ground.
Why? Okay, so I can read data from the device, but I can't send data to the device. Why does that not work? Oh, interesting. This says it seems unreliable, so I was using the interrupt data. Okay. Okay, that's interesting. So, seems unreliable. We'll just move all this out of here. Gorgeous. So now data is going that way, but now it still can't seem to work the other way. Why is data not flowing back out? No? What do I... Hit write, hit read, hit init, hit open. Hit write, hit read, hit open, hit init. Yeah, okay, I'm doing exactly the same thing. Why is this not working here? Get no data flows. Why does no data flow? I feel like I'm getting really close here. I just don't know why no data is flowing. point out transfer.
Keep up, no time to lay to drift away. I fill my space, I spend my time down the rabbit hole again. And as I fall, I can feel the pain. You can't tell me where to go, so I don't know. I just go with the flow. I go with the flow. I'm falling up, I'm falling down.
Still
From
nothing.
the sky and from the ground. Up above, just like below. And I don't know where I should go. 'Cause I'm stuck in limbo.
Let's just not try to set things up and see what happens. Actually, I have another idea. I'm gonna just use the other project.
I'm out of love, but I guess I deserved it. Trying to hide, to pass you by. I'm getting time, feeling fine. I'm light
Huh.
as air, no one can reach me. Lost in a dream, lost in between. Let's
Okay,
keep
so
on
the answer is
flying,
even
let's keep
I'm
on
doing the code on the
reading.
PC side right. Something is broken on the STM side.
I'm falling down.
Let's try to disable all debug. Still broken. So I've done something here that breaks the code. Oh.
Satisfied. My weakness comes and goes. My weakness comes and goes. I'm reaching out for the easy high. Please fortify this strength of mine. My weakness comes and goes. My weakness comes and goes.
Ear savers? Oh, no, I just don't mind this. I just wear it all the time anyway. Because, like, I usually live with somebody, so... at least when I'm on stream or might be talking to people. Why is this not working? So I'm about ready to copy the USB stuff from the Tensegral lamp to this project. Or I could run the firmware for the Tensegral lamp on this device and see if I can No. Okay, I am really confused right now because what that means is this code works on the TensorGroll lamp, but it does not work here. So it could be a problem with my computer, or it could be a problem with this physical board. It's probably a problem with my computer. That's really weird. I'm going to turn this back down now since we're going to keep figuring it back. Why in the world? Ugh, I don't have any UDEV rules. That shouldn't cause a problem, though. So I just do that. Why is this not working? So I'm going to install the rules for the tiny ISP to see if that helps at all. I don't know why. I'm going to just change it to F411 just because. Still broken. So I should not need root access now to access this device, but it does not work. I don't know why this isn't working. Crud. It's like something's just wrong with the USB stack on this device. I'm going to be really mad if the USB stack on this device really is subtly different than that on others. What is UDEV Atom trigger? Why? Why does that work? Does this part not have two endpoints? Whatever. Don't care. We're moving. We're going to get this done. Oh, wait. Maybe it worked. Maybe it didn't. I don't even know. Oh, no. It's like disabled. I have been plugging and unplugging the USB a fair bit. It didn't really help. Okay, so the answer is we actually do need both endpoints. Crud. That makes sense. We'll just get around this, because I can just get around this or something. We will just send the other type of requests, the HID, setup, whatever. Does anybody remember what the command is to configure send feature report? Okay. Hey, it worked. Okay, let's just go do that. Yeah, I know, Sam. I know it should. I don't know why this is not working. Oh my gosh, Minecraft ePaper. That would be an awesome, fun time. Anyway. Okay, so I got 15 minutes left, less than 15 minutes left. I'm going to see if we can get this thing pumped out. It's just not working. Oh, nice. Okay. Okay, I can actually send data now. So this is command. This is stuff. Data. Okay, so now let's see how many data bytes we want to send. So I'm just going to send some random data and see what happens. I do have to find out what width and height are. Okay, we're going to do that divided by 32 and int k. This might work. There's a small chance. This did not work. Darn, that should maybe have worked. Let's try doing that manually. Oh. I was never setting up the ePaper display. Okay. No dice. I have to go in a minute, so looks like we're not going to do it. But let me at least just see if it's just something with the USB transport, and we'll work from there. By the way, Hachi, thanks for coming out and help moderate. Okay, so I can do that manually. Maybe that really is an unreliable transport mode. Okay, well, I think I'm going to have to take this off now. We're going to have to figure out what's actually going on with the STM32F042 fun library and USB requests. I don't know. I'm going to have to let this roll. Oh well. Well, maybe I'll get this working and do a video about it sooner or later. Save for next time, silly super chats. Hey. Yeah, no, even Boom is broken right now. Try to get all this figured out in time. Sorry, guys. I hope you guys had fun. I mean, we got to at least see the display wake up and change some colors, but I know it wasn't everything I had hoped. Efren, if you're interested in helping with this, I would appreciate if you were to hop over to my Discord server and kind of help out and let me know any of your opinions on that, because I really would like to solve this as well. I could use the V1 API, but I don't have much documentation on it, so... Okay. Well, that's pretty cool, Spirit. Thanks everyone for coming out. Hope you all have a great evening. See ya.